Hey, welcome to the Old School Muscle Shop. Here we have the 1969 Bronco. Just came out of the paint booth. We put the hubcaps back on her. We brought her out for a little natural heat baking. We get ready to wipe down and sand that bumper and then paint it black. And then tape up the wiring on the winch. And then take the battery out and start looking at that battery tray. Last little touch-ups we need to do to her. We painted the inside dash. And all the floors redone on the inside. Painted the inside of the roof. We're going to put the headliner in. But turned out really nice. Old School Muscle.